role where you can make a real impact on healthcare? How does the job that can be done part-time and full-time sound? What about something when most weekends are off? We know we got your attention now. If you're looking for a full-time career in clinical research, becoming a clinical research associate would be your step to take now. Clinical research associates play a vital role in the healthcare industry, responsible for organizing and monitoring clinical trials, ensuring the safety and effectiveness of new and existing drugs, from site selection to completion. CRAs oversee every stage of clinical trials. They identify investigators, set up trial sites, train staff, monitor compliance, and verify informed consent and data collection. Mastery of electronic data capturing system and analysis is a must. But landing that first job can be challenging, especially when it comes to acing the round of interviews. So stick around guys, because we've got all the questions that can definitely get you a good score in your CRA interview. Let's start with some common questions. How confident are you in your abilities as a researcher and why? Second question. What specific skills would you bring to contribute to a successful work environment? The next one. How might your past colleagues define you to someone unfamiliar with them? The next question. Where do you see yourself professionally in the next 10 years? How do you typically respond to a less constructive feedback? So, the sixth question. What sparkled your interest in clinical research? The seventh one. What do you find most rewarding in working in this field? Eighth one. How many years have you worked in clinical research? Ninth one. How many clinical trials have you participated as a CRA? The 10th question. What research certificates do you currently hold? For more questions, please take a screenshot of the questions displayed on the screen. That's a wrap for common interview questions aspiring by clinical research associates. And that was just a beginning. To truly excel in your interview, you need to be prepared for both technical and behavioral questions. So let's start with behavioral interview questions for CRAs. So let's give an example of a time when you had to resolve a conflict between your research team. Show your conflict resolution skills and ability to maintain a positive work environment. The next question. Describe a situation where you had to adhere to strict guidelines under pressure. This highlights your ability to stay compliant and calm under pressure. Tell me about a time when you went above and beyond for a project. This demonstrates your dedication and willingness to exceed the expectations given. How do you handle feedback and criticism? Your ability to accept and learn from a negative feedback is what is most important in a clinical research field. So let's move on to the technical interview questions for clinical research associates. What is good clinical practice, that is GCP, and why is it important? Understanding GCP is a fundamental for many CRA, as it ensures the safety and ethical treatments of trial participants. So the next one, explain the phases of clinical trials. Your explanation should cover phase 1, safety and dosage. Phase 2, that is efficiency and side effects. Phase 3, that is efficiency and managing adverse reactions. And Phase 4, that is post-marketing surveillance. The next question, how do you perform a site selection visit? This question checks your ability to evaluate and select appropriate sites for clinical trials. So the next question, what is the role of an institutional review board, that is IRB? Your response should emphasize the IRB's role in protecting the welfare of human research subjects. Describe the process of monitoring a clinical trial. Detail the steps involved, including site visits, data verification, and ensuring compliance with the trial protocol. Trust us when we tell you that preparing for this question interviews will not only boost your confidence but also help you showcase your skills and your experiences effectively. Remember, the key to success is the preparation and the practice. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your career, we hope this guide helps you ace your clinical research interview. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to LLRI's content coming soon. For more such informative content, keep looking for us.